Here we have this copper magnetic bracelet that has 3 rows of magnets. Now with these 3 rows of magnets, now that's some targeted magnetic therapy for you. With stronger magnetic therapy, there is a higher potential for pain relief and circulation support. The copper adds in conductivity, and it also has this black lacquer finish on it, so you don't have to worry about any sort of tarnishing or corrosion. And being made of copper, it's going to be hypoallergenic, so you don't have to worry about any sort of allergies. With the tools that come in here, it gives you everything you need. It gives you a link breaking tool, and it gives you for the 2 different size pins that you may encounter. It also gives you a few different pins to help push those out, because once you screw this in, you're going to get them so far out, and then you'll use this to push them all the way through so you can grab them and pull them through. So I'm going to go ahead and get this sized up and put it on my wrist. So now I'm just going to go ahead and break it right in the middle. So I already went ahead and pushed the pin out a decent amount. So you really don't even need the tool. You just grab it and you can pull it out now. So that I went ahead and broke it. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove 3 links. 3. Just lining up that tool. I'm going to go ahead and reinsert that. Since I have it here, I'm going to go ahead and use the bigger tip just to drive that pin and seat it all the way down in. The good thing is all of these tools come right here in the kit, so you don't have to worry about having these on hand. And that was that. Nice and flush, ready to go. Size just how I like it, just a little bit, tad bit loose. Fits nice, looks nice. The strength of the magnets, like I said, I already showed you with this. Just give me an idea on how it just pulls it right in. Thanks for sending me this to review.